Hi guys, welcome to my sewing with big sis. Okay, today I will be teaching you how to thread your new sewing machine. First of all, just position your thread and make sure the thread is going from the right to the left, this way, from right to left. Okay, then pass it through from back. I've done it because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, now this is going to go a zigzag manner, so just take it from here back to the second hole, then to the third one. It's in a zigzag manner. Okay, then take it from bottom here, top, then from top to bottom. Okay, now the next thing is the tension. Just put it there, round like this, then okay, then the next one is here. Just place it, let it go in. Okay, then I don't know the names yet. I will learn and give you the feedback. Okay, then here, then take it down. Just roll it from your right to your left. It will enter the hole. Okay, now just to fix the thread now. Okay, perfect. Okay, and this is now from here. This is your first step, second step, third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, seventh, eighth, nine, then the needle, the 10. So let me just show you briefly how. Let's try it. Put this one down, and lovely. You want to go so this is it. So thank you very much for watching.